Hi! In front of me is OnePlus Nord 2T, and today I would like to show you how you can operate vibration options on this smartphone. First of all, go into Settings and choose Sound and Vibration over here. Now scroll down and tap on this switcher next to Vibrate on Ring. This way you can switch on or off vibrations for your incoming calls. Then tap on Vibration Intensity and adjust intensity of touch vibrations and notification vibrations by swiping left or right on those sliders. When you're ready, click on the darker area. Then choose Haptics and Tones. Over here you can enable or disable system haptics by clicking on this switcher. If you wish to enable them, you can also adjust intensity by swiping left or right on this haptic slider. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!